Hello everyone. This is one Western Digital Pension Drive uh, data recovery case study from India. So we can see this SATA 0 and we can open the DFL DDP because we have fixed the firmware issue for this SMR drive. We can see the 5588 and its PCB number for this Venicer family is the 810011. And this one is one desktop hard drive SMR WD drive, and we can see here hex view, and we can get ID information, and let's try to recover the lost partitions directly. Now we can see here is a lost partition and the root folder expanding. From log window we can see it's reading the folders and files under this partition. We just need to wait a little bit. There are maybe some weak sectors or bad sectors. So it's slow to expand the partition to list all the lost folders and files. And we can see the status is still expanding. And sometimes for this kind of SMR drive, the best method is to set up the head map, loading the module 190 to the RAM to set up the head map and then image by heads. We can image good heads first and then image the weak heads. Here we can see it's slow and get stuck here, so we can try to click stop and we can try to scan files, root, disk image, target disk. Okay, we need to confirm, set the target disk, set up VHD. New volume. Five. Head map. Set up head map. Western Digital. Load from file. And we need to check the Western Digital. Open the firmware directory to see where we have this is modules, copy 0. Here we have saved this module 190, copy and go to DDP. Okay, now we can paste this parse here. We select this module 190 to node here, Click OK. Click OK. Now the software starts to set up the head map, because we have already seen the partition mark, the 5588. But it's just very slow to list all the lost folders under this partition due to the bad sectors or weak heads. So this one, to load the module 190 to set up the head map, is very necessary for this patient SMR drive. And we need to wait a little bit. We can check the log, and we can see the software is initializing the bitmap file and is setting up the head map now. After this one, we can start the disk image and see. And we can also go to the disk image settings, and there we can load this module 190 automatically too. Because of the weak heads, we need to load this module 190 automatically to the RAM to make sure the data is accessed normally. So let's wait and see. Okay, now we can see the head map has been set up successfully, and there are 6 heads. So we can try to adjust the disk image settings here, and we can then start this disk image and see which head is weak, and here we can adjust a little bit. And also within the disk image settings, we can select the Western Digital and get the head map here, node T2, and select the module 190 parts. Okay, this one. Click load, and the software will help to load this module 190 to RAM automatically in case the patient drive suffers power reset or drive reset sometimes. So we need to load this to automatically, and the users don't need to wait before the computer and do this one manually. So let's wait and see. After loading is successful and completed, and we can see the data arrow is accessible normally, and then we can start the disk image by selective heads. Okay, now loading completes, and then we can click OK. We can see node success, and we can click start. Now we can see the head 1 has some problem. We can try to untick the head 1 because we get stuck here. Now we are imaging the head 2. If we untick head 2, and let's see. So it's head 5 now. We can try to image backward and see if the situation improves. So if we image reversely, we can see the disk image speed is increasing, has increased a lot. So we can see it's just some bad sectors or weak sectors in the front of the drives, and now we can see it's fast. Now we take all the heads to test. Okay, all the heads are selected, and let's see if the situation improves a lot. And we can see these sectors are accessed normally, and we can see its current head is head 2, and this head is weak indeed, even in the ending part of the LBA arrow. So let's untick head 2, untick head 2 and say soft reset. So for SMR hard drives, to set up the head map helps users to find out which heads are weak. Okay, after we untick the head 2, we can see the head 4 is working well. And let's check other heads. Head 1 is also okay. So we can keep the disk image like this one, and after all the good heads are imaged successfully, we can try to image the weak heads. Anyway, if the users need the data recovery 100%, it's best to swap the heads instead. Thank you for watching the video.